name's AnneCorless and today I'm going to do another unboxing video. I can get into it. Ready? Oh, that didn't do very well. Things are meant to... Oh, maybe I got the remote. Let's try that. Ready? Ooh. You may know that I have written a book called The Little Book of Drawing Secrets, and this painting is on the cover, so I'm very pleased about that. So I've got a few of those. I've got two other wonderful books which are part of the series. So the first one here is by Jacky Pearson, and it's The Little Book of Watercolour Secrets. And then the other one is by Scott Maier, and it's The Little Book of Oil Painting Secrets. So this is an absolute treat. Isn't it wonderful that the whole set goes together? It's really handy. So if you're interested in art, it's good to learn how to draw. I think it's always important to have the basics. And then I think it's good to know how to do watercolour and oil, because they are different. But it's exciting, isn't it? So I put the three books together so you can see them, all the same size, all following a similar format. And if you remember, for those that might have seen some of my other videos, that is the artwork that goes on the cover on mine. And then if we actually flick through, at the back, they've both got about the author and acknowledgements. And I just wanted to show you one of the other ones that I did when I find it. Sketchbook drawing. So I did a drawing which actually worked out quite well, that I did like when we were traveling. The only trouble was it was on 2 bits of sketchbook paper. So I've always wanted to put it together. For this book, I decided to do this and to add a whale and to add a bird, and just had a bit of fun with it, really. So that's what I talk about when I'm discussing how to develop a sketchbook drawing and how I went about that. But you'll find all sorts of interesting stories in these other books. Jacky Pearson has done some, I mean, look at the covers. Isn't the designer brilliant? I just love that. And when you look inside here, again, there's about the author at the back, but there are so many beautiful pieces of artwork. Look at that, Refine Your Painting. Isn't that just exquisite use of colour? So beautiful. So you can really get lost in these. I haven't actually read these yet. I can't wait. But I mean, look at that. Isn't that just divine? And it's the same with Scott's book as well. You know, I'm really interested in this because I'm an oil painter as well. Well, and I like watercolour too. I do that as well. So it's really fascinating to see how other people go about. Right, there we go. Start your painting. I absolutely love work like this. Oh, look, we just flicked to that one. Isn't that beautiful? Understanding composition, such an important thing. I mean, as I say, we all work in slightly different ways, but there are going to be connections. And I think colour mixing, that's the one I wanted to show you. Yeah, I think it's really good to think about having all 3 of these in your collection of books, because it's important to know how to draw, I think. It's important to know how to look at things, how to interpret colour and tone and all of that. And then to know how to be creative in other media. I love working in watercolour. I love working in oils. And you learn a lot about how to see, how to interpret. When you're working in other medium, it's a really good exercise. So I would encourage everybody to enjoy these, because I'm certainly going to.